mfupi unaokuja.
Karthieth kod tiegruok mar Kenyatta University Teaching Research and Referral Hospital otimo bero molony kendo manyasani ma dongere dendo ni main artery ne jatuo moro ma miyo. Kit bero ni ma oyang kaka thoracic endovascular repair e bero kare bero mokwongo ma otimie kuonde thieth mag piny owacho e pacho ka. En thieth ma kawo ndalo adek kendo pogore gi bero mamoko ma itimo ne ler makao mahaw dwe achiel. Kaluwore gi jolony manie kar thieth ma KU, kit thieth ne yot kendo nengone ni piny ka ipimo gi moko. Gikwayo jopiny mondo ondikre kod okumba mar thieth mondo thieth ahinya to ute thieth mag piny owacho obed ma nengogi ni piny.
Newer methods of treating aneurysms of the body. It is what the world is doing at the moment, and we are just catching up. The advantages are numerous, as the management team has already said. To the patient, once you are admitted with such diseases, once treatment is done, in the West, the discharge is normally the following day. Because it's our first procedure, we have taken a few more days just to ensure that the patient is okay. But in future, we will reduce our turnaround time for such patients.
Normally, this is done in smaller veins, but this was a major artery, so even the stent had to be imported. We had to mobilize our own doctors and even other consultants to be able to do it. So we feel that is a milestone that we have achieved this early in the year, and we just wanted to let Kenyans know that this now can be done in this hospital.
We are positioning ourselves to be a highly specialized hospital, not just in the country but also in the region. And so as we try to operationalize many services, we are looking at services that are not available in the country and also in the region that are highly specialized, because we will be attracting patients from the region. We'll also be attracting staff from the region.
Kakayo markedo kod midhiero ma ikelo gi lokruok chal kor lwasi county ma Turkana, ten county no wakati yo kanyakla gi riwruoge moko mag piny owacho keto masin mar rego taka mag plastic ma nyalo tiyogo e loso mwandu mamoko e kinde mabiro. Chenro ma ochaki